heard you say that you wish I stayed an older version of me, long before my change. But if we're not growing, we are staying the same. So I will welcome the change and stretch myself.